Today we will be making a banana split. This is a very delicious ice cream dessert. Before we start this recipe, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start this recipe. First we are slicing one banana in half. Place the bananas on the plate. After this, add ice cream on top of the bananas. Here we have added 3 different flavors of ice cream: pistachio, almond, and strawberry ice cream. This is a very tasty dessert recipe that is easy to make. Now top off the ice cream with whipped cream. After this, add chocolate sauce. The chocolate sauce makes it taste very delicious. Now decorate it with colorful chocolate. Here we have added dry fruits, pistachios and almonds. And now we have added chocolate sprinkles. After this, add raspberries near the top and bottom. Alhamdulillah, the banana split is now done. Be sure to try this very delicious ice cream dessert. If you have not already subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new delicious recipes. Make sure to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. You can find the ingredients to this recipe in the description box down below. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching this video.